Do you know you can change your video sound from this particular one that you are hearing right now? As you can see, the background noise is just overwhelming the video. The video is not giving, the video is just noisy to this particular one right here. If you do not have a microphone, your video sound is very bad. People are clicking away your video for the first 10 seconds. You should not worry anymore, because in this video right here, I'm going to review a secret on how to make your video sound like a pro just with your phone. You are not going to be paying any dime. All you need to do is for you to watch this video to the very end so that you will understand every single step that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. Because when you skip this video, automatically you won't understand what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, okay? First thing first, my name is Donniggi Greater Groot. If this is the first time seeing my face or coming across this channel, you are highly most welcome. In this channel right here, we share tips, tools, strategy on how to grow your YouTube channel and become a successful YouTuber. So if you're interested about that, kindly smash on that red subscribe button and turn on the YouTube notification bell, okay? We all know the reason why viewers always watch YouTube videos from beginning to the end, the number one thing is your sound. If your sound is sounding professionally, if your sound is on point, everybody is hearing what you are saying, automatically they are going to watch that video from beginning to the end because they understand what you are saying, okay? Even though your video camera is not giving, your video quality is not giving, but your sound is on point, it's going to make everyone to watch your video from beginning to the end. That is the reason why even faceless YouTubers, they always still make it right here in YouTube. Even though you are not seeing their face, the only thing is that their sound is bringing out value to the people. People are hearing what they are saying perfectly, okay? So in this video, I'm going to be revealing that secret, okay? I'm going to show you how to get your professional sounding just with your phone. You are not going to be paying any dime, okay? The only thing is just for you to pay attention to what I'm going to be showing you in this video, okay? So without any further ado, let's quickly dive into the main tutorial starting right now. First thing first, the number one thing that you need to do before any other thing, go to Play Store and download this app here called Video to MP3. When you search for Video to MP3, a lot of Video to MP3 is going to pop up, but this is the one you are going to be downloading. Pay good attention and look at the app very well. This is the one you are going to be downloading, okay? As you can see, mine here is saying open, which definitely means I have automatically saved this app, but yours is going to show install, which means you have not yet saved this app. So what you need to do, just go ahead and install the app to your phone, okay? When you fully install the app to your phone, you don't need to create an account with your email address. You don't need to set any password. What you just need to do is for you to open the app automatically, okay? So this is how the app is going to be looking like, pretty clean and user friendly, okay? What this app does is that it's going to help you to convert your video to MP3 sound, okay? So before converting your video to MP3 sound, make sure that you have fully edit that video and cut out all those parts you have been making mistake. Make sure that that video is fully edited, okay? So the next thing that you need to do is just for you to click on this particular box right here that says video to audio, okay? When you click on it, it's going to take you down to your phone gallery. So right here in your phone gallery, just select the video you want to convert to MP3 sound, okay? So I will just go ahead with this video. Just click on that video and it's going to pop up in the app automatically. Pay good attention at this particular part, okay? Because if you miss this particular part, automatically everything is going to mess up, okay? So just focus on this format right here that you are seeing right here. When you click on the format, it's going to pop up this particular stuff right here. So what you need to do is just for you to click on this MP3 right here. Make sure that this format is showing MP3 right here, and for the name here, you can just go ahead and rename the sound right here. For me, I will just go ahead and call it sound 1. The reason why I say that you should rename this sound so that you can be able to recognize the sound in your phone, okay? So when you are fully done with that, you click on this one right here that says convert, okay? When you click on convert, automatically it's going to load up. As you can see, boom, right here, your videos have been automatically converted to MP3 sound, okay? So let's go to our phone and see if truly this app have saved this sound to our phone, okay? So as you can see right here, this is our phone file, okay? So I will just click on this one here that says audio to go and confirm the sound. Okay, so when I click on audio, as you can see right here, this is the sound we just converted from that video to mp3. Okay, this was the name that we gave to the sound. Look at it here, sound 1. Okay, so now that you have fully converted your video to mp3 sound, the second thing that you are going to be doing is for you to go to your Chrome and search for podcast.adobe. I repeat, podcast.adobe. This is how it's going to be looking like. Okay, this is how the link is going to be looking like. So just click on that link and it's going to take you down to the web page. Okay, so this website here, you are going to be creating an account with your email address and set your password and also confirm your email address. Okay, so when you are fully done with that, your account will be created for absolutely free. This is how your account is going to be looking like. Okay, what this website does is that it's going to help you to enhance your sound and edit all those background noise that is going to be making your sound not to look neat, and also make your sound to look very bold. Okay, and you are not going to be paying any dime right here. So when you are fully create your account, this is how the interface is going to be looking like. Pretty clean and user friendly. Okay, so what you need to do is for you to focus on this particular one that says choose file right here. Okay, so when you click on it, it's going to load up to this particular page. It's going to ask you, where do you want to choose the file? Is it from your camera recorder or is it from your photo and videos? Okay, so what you need to do, depending on the phone you are using, depending on where the sound is being located. Okay, so for me, I'm just going to be clicking on this photo and video right here. Okay, look at the sounds right here. Okay, so just tap on the sound and it's going to load automatically in the website. Okay, as you can see right here, the sound is being uploading. Look at the name right here, sound 1. Okay, it's being uploaded to the Adobe Podcast website. Okay, so right now the website has finished enhancing the sound. So what you need to do at this particular point is for you to click on that sound right here. Okay, it's just for you to click on that sound. When you click on that sound, it's going to take you right to this particular page. Okay, so you can just play your sound and listen to what you say, if it's something that you are going to download or if it's something that you can be able to redo it again. Okay, so if you play the sound and it sound well in your ears, you just need to scroll down right here. You can be able to see where to download the sound right here and click on this download right here, and automatically the sound is going to be downloaded to your phone. So it has finished downloading. Let's just go to our phone file and see if truly this website has saved the app to our phone. Okay, so as you can see right here, the Adobe Podcast has finished enhancing everything and it has saved it to our phone right here. Okay, this was the first one that we did with the video to mp3 app right here, and this is the one that we go ahead and enhance in the Adobe Podcast. Okay, so now that you have finished converting your video to mp3 sound and also make it look bold and presentable from the Adobe Podcast right here, so the next thing that you are going to do is for you to go to InShot or CapCut or any video editing tools you are using. Okay, so when you are there, just go and select the video you want to be making use of. Okay, when the video is fully selected, the first thing that you need to do is for you to mute the original sound of that video. That is the number one thing that you are going to be doing. After muting the original sound of that video, is for you to go and import the sound that you enhance from the Adobe Podcast. Okay, so when the sound is fully imported, what you need to do, make sure that the sound is being fixed properly with the video, because if the sound is not being arranged properly with the video, it's not going to match what you are going to be saying. Okay, so make sure that the sound is being arranged properly with the video so that anything you are saying is going to match together with the sound. Okay, so now let's confirm and see if our work is being arranged properly. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to go to the sound that we import from the Adobe Podcast. As you can see here, I have moved the sound that we import from the Adobe Podcast. Let me listen to the original sound and see how it sounds. Okay, yo, what's up guys, this is the top 10 paying niche right here in 2026. Okay, now we have listened to the original sound. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to mute this original sound. Let's go and listen to the one that we edited in the Adobe Podcast. Okay, so I will just go to here and click on this place and here and unmute the sound that we import from the Adobe Podcast. Let's listen to this one. Okay. Yo, what's up, guys? This is the top 10 paying niche right here in 2026. One funny thing that we okay, now you people have seen how this one is sounding. Okay, this one sound more professionally. Okay, it edits all those background noise. You are not going to be hearing any background noise, and it's going to make your voice bold. Okay, so let's go and listen again to the original one and also listen to the one that we edited in the Adobe Podcast. Okay, so I will just quickly mute this one right here. Let's go and listen to the original one. Yo, what's up, guys? This is the top 10 paying niche right here in 2026. Okay, we have listened to the original one again. Let's still go and listen to the one that we edited in the Adobe Podcast. So I will just quickly mute the original one. Let's go and listen. Yo, what's up, guys? This is the top 10 paying niche right here in 2026. If you find this video helpful, stop complaining that you do not have equipment to start your YouTube channel. Start with what you have. Start with that phone that you are using to watch me presently right now, okay? Do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more YouTube growth tips like this. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video.